Hello, welcome. This is question number 2A, BECE 2026. The image of P, the point P, which is 2, 5, when translated by the vector R is negative 3, 8. We have to find that vector. Then find the image of Q. Image Q prime of Q, which is negative 4, negative 6, when being translated by the same vector R. Remember, this is another topic, vector. So translation is to carry. So a translation vector carries a point to a different destination. So this is more or less like I am looking for a point being translated by a vector, and that will give me the image when the vector is being the vehicle carrying this to a different destination called the image. So from here, the point is P. So P plus the vector R give us the image of P prime, which we have as this point. Remember, vector is written vertically, not as a point with a comma. So here, I still have the vector, which is going to be 2, 5, being added on by, okay, let me have it here, 2, 5 as a vector, added on by x component of the vector R, and the y component of the vector R equals to the x component of the image, 3, negative, then y component. This is what we are having. So I have it there as xy equals to negative 3 and 8. This is carrying this to give us this. So it means that when I combine these two, the result I am getting is negative 3, 8. Which means the x component are going to be the same, then the y component are going to be the same, considering the left side and the right side of the equal sign. So what do? So I'm going to have equating corresponding component. I am equating 2 plus x as the x component should be equals to negative 3. That's the first part. All the x component on the left should be the same as that of the right. So if I combine this, it means that there is a value of x. If I add it to 2, the result will be what? Negative 3. You think about that. Or I am going to remove the 2 from here so that it will be at the other side to find the x only. In removing the 2 means subtracting 2 from here. So if I subtract 2 here, I have to subtract 2, because equal sign means that whatever I do to the left must be done to the right. So subtract 2 here, subtract 2. This becomes x will be equal to negative 3 minus 2, which make x to be equal to what? Negative 5. This right here is negative 3 plus negative 2. You are adding them together, and that gives you a total of what? Negative 5. Then we can also compare the 5 plus y should be the same as what? 8. Meaning there's a value of y added to 5 to give you a total of what? 8. With I think we can think of that value as 3. Or subtract the 5 from both sides to make the y stand alone. Meaning y will be equal to 8 minus 5, and y will be equal to what? 3. So what does the x and y stand for? Therefore, the vector R will be equal to the x component, y component, x component, negative 5, y component, 3. So this is the vector that translates the point 2, 5 to give us negative 3 and 8. That's the first part of the question. Then the second part of the question is we are finding the image when this vector translates the point, this. So let's see how that will be done. So still based on the same definition, point plus vector equals to the image. That means that the point Q plus the vector R will give me the image of what? Q. So what is the point? The point is negative 4, negative 6 plus the vector. What is the vector? We had it to be negative 5 and 3. Then that should be equals to the q, which you don't have a value for. So that could be our x, y. So it means that the equal sign, the left side of the equal sign, whatever I have for the x component should be equal to what? The x. Whatever I have for the y component should be equal to the y. That means as you have -4 plus -5, then -6 plus what? 3. The result should be the same as what? xy. If I have -4 and I add -5 to it, that will be -9. If I add here, I am adding 3 to a -6, or let's take it this way. You are indebted 6 Ghana cedis, then your father give you 3 Ghana cedis. You first need to pay the debt or reduce your debt by giving the 3 cedi out to your debtor. Then you will still be left with what? 3 cedis, which is still going to be a debt. Or these are positive numbers, a negative 6 of them. Then this is going to be positive, 3 of them. Remember in science, when positive and negative come together, they neutralize. So this will neutralize and go. This and this will neutralize. This will neutralize. So we'll be left with only 3 of the negative, which is counting. So that will give you a -3 equals to xy. So I can say that therefore the image of Q in terms of point will be x component. Okay, let's say x component, y component equals to -9, -3. So that is the value we are going to have. This is the image when the vector translates the point to give us this. I'm sure we are on the same page. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.